Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. Long time no see. Been really busy. This probably is our last day of corn harvest, and that means harvest will be over, which is crazy to me. I only got to really help maybe one evening do the grain cart, so hopefully in the next years I'll get to do a little bit more, just kind of, you know, the raising kids season, which I'm so thankful and blessed to be a part of anyways. But we are just gonna kind of go out and see what Joseph is doing. He's actually just about to go out to the field. It's Saturday morning. One of our neighbors is gonna come help and so run the grain cart, and so we're just gonna drive out to the field. I'll kind of show you what he has left, and we're just praising God because our bin is full. We do have another bin we'll probably start putting some stuff in, but we didn't even know if our main bin was going to get full because of the 2-month drought we had. So we'll just kind of show you what he's doing, and yeah, won't you come farming with us? He's right there. So Joseph is putting propane in the 3010, which I think that's a tractor that the auger's hooked up to for the bin. Probably why he's doing it. Yep. You see the auger out there. It's not hooked up at all. So that's what he's doing. There she is. He's coming out here with the tractor, buddy.
Why?
There's the grain cart. Well, because he's going to bring the tractor out.
Why?
And hook it up to the auger.
Auger.
So this is the bin over here that we're gonna put some corn in. We've put corn in there before and it works fine, but it's just not as big or probably as new as our other bin, that our main bin. So we only use it if we have extra and don't want to sell it yet. I think Joseph's taking the lid off of the bin, maybe.
What's that? What's that one?
That tells the timer on my camera.
What's that?
That's the little auger.
What?
The output auger.
Why?
Well, when we bring the truck over here, when we want to sell the corn, then we'll use that and it'll bring the corn out of there.
Why?
That's just how it goes.
Dad?
Maybe he's putting the lid on, I'm not sure.